Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Brave Rewards. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to make sure that you have installed the Brave browser on your device, be it your mobile device or PC. Once done, simply open it and set it up. And then you'll be able to see this triangle over here. That is basically the bat icon. Simply click on it and you'll be able to see it says turn on Brave Rewards. And you can simply click on this button that says start using Brave Rewards. Click on it, then you'll be asked to select your region. So what it does is that basically you can receive cryptocurrency by just watching ads. Unlike other browser, it really rewards you for watching the ads. So first of all, you gotta simply select your country and then click on continue. And then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. It says you have seen 0 ads right now. But as you browse on this browser, you'll be able to see that the number of ads you watch will be increased over here. You can simply track your rewards over here. The rewards are basically cryptocurrencies that you can redeem by connecting your account.